As you can see from this ingredient here, I added white sugar on the fillings, okay? And also maple syrup, okay? All right. All right. This is my filling right here, okay? So this one is not 100% white sugar. I mix it with maple syrup, okay? So basically you have the beans here, okay? All right, this is my Hopia filling right here, okay? It's all the ingredients for this filling, Hopia filling, it's all, oh, this is the second time, by the way. This is the second Hopia filling, all right? What I'm gonna be using for this one, it's gonna be bake, okay? Instead of no bake Hopia, okay? All right.